Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Debbie and thank you so much for clicking that button and watching my video. So today I have this look right here, this transitioning look from summer to fall. So if you guys want to see how I came up with this look, just keep on watching. Alright, so as you can see, I already filled in my brows, so I'm going to go in with a primer, and today I'm going to go in with the Master Prime. This is the hydrating primer, and this is my favorite primer because it helps hydrate the skin. And you guys already know I am going to go in with another primer, and today I'm going in with the NYX Pore Filler, and this is to fill in the pores. For foundation today, I'm going to go in with this one from Rimmel. This is the Lasting Finish 25-Hour Breathable, and this is in the shade Natural Beige. To blend in the foundation, I'm going to go in with a damp Real Technique sponge. For concealer today, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is in the shade Creamy Beige. And I'm just going to take that sponge again and blend everything out. To cream contour today, I'm going to go in with this one. This is the shade Toast. I'm going to go back in with that same sponge and just blend it out. To set my under eye, I'm going to go in with this one from Rimmel. This is my favorite setting powder. This is the Stay Matte Mattifying Loose Powder. To set my bronzer, I'm going to go in with the Shade and Light palette. Alright, so now moving on to the eyes. Today I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution palette, and I don't know what kind of look I want to create. I'm just going to go with whatever I have on here. There's a lot to choose from, so we'll see what we come up with. So let's see. I think I'm going to go with this one right here. This is like a peachy orangey shade, and I like using shades like this as a transition shade. So just gonna grab that on a blending brush, just sweep that on the crease back and forth. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. This is like a rosy, pinky, kind of red also, like it's more pink. About that, we'll just say it's pink. And I'm gonna grab that on a blending brush. Just gonna put that on the outer corner. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I'm going to go back in with that pink shade right there. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It's like a champagne shade, and I'm going to apply that on the inner part of the lid. I'm going to try to apply that with my finger. Let's see how much more pigment I get. Okay, it's actually a little bit better than using it with a brush. Alright, so I'm going to go in with that pink shade and this peachy shade, put them both together and apply them on the lower lash line. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with a little bit of eyeliner, and today I'm going in with the Revlon Colorstay Skinny Liquid Liner. Alright, so now that I'm done with the liner, I'm going to go in with some lashes, and that I'm going to do off camera, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back. I finished applying some lashes, and today's lashes are the Ardell Double Up Lashes. I absolutely love these. I love the fact that it has a thick band, and it's just so easy to apply. I also applied a little bit of liner, and I applied some mascara, and that is pretty much it. So now I'm going to finish off the look, and I'm going to go in with a highlighter. So today I'm going to go in with this one from the Glow Sun Dip Glow Kit from Anastasia, and it's this palette right here. I'm going to go in with some, what is this? Summer and some Moonstone, and just apply that on the high points, just like that. Alright, I'm also going to add a little bit of blush, and this is the Too Faced Love Flush, and this is Justify My Love. I'm just going to apply a little bit of this to the cheeks. Now moving on to lips, I'm going to go in with this one from LA Girl. This is the Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liner, and this is in the shade Enduring Mauve, one of my favorites. On top of that, I'm going to go in with this one from Maybelline. This is the Color Blur by Lip Studio. And this is in the shade I Like to Mauve It. I don't know if they still have these, but this is actually one of my favorite ones. I would use this a lot. And then on top of this, I'm going to go in with this lipstick from Milani. This is Nude Creme. I love the smell of Milani lipsticks. They smell so good. To set my face, I'm going to go in with this spray from Makeup Revolution. This is the Pro Fix Oil Control Fixing Spray. Alright guys, so this is it right here. This is the final look. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!